Welcome. If you want to change default application in your Nokia 1.3, at first you have to go for the settings, then move for the apps and notifications. You can find it right here in the upper section of the menu. Then move for the default apps, and for example we can change browser application. So as you can see, currently we got only one browser, so we have to move for the Play Store and get the other application. So click here, then type, for example, Opera Mini. We are going to get this application. Let's open. Click continue, then just go back for our menu. And when we go back and enter one more time, we can set different application as default. Let's pick with Opera Mini, go back, and as you can see, our default application has changed. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.